Okay, I'm continuing on with our Wi-Fi bit. You can see it here. It's connected to a microbit. This system is receiving an input from the Meowbit by radio. The input is either or both the temperature in the room and the light level. The Meowbit can sense both of those. And this little SD card here sends a signal by radio from the Meowbit to the microbit. When the micro SD card right here is connected in the radio mode, the blue mode is a Wi-Fi mode, or Bluetooth mode, sorry. The green mode is radio mode. If I press this button in the down arrow, it will send the temperature 26 degrees to the microbit, and the microbit sends that signal to the Wi-Fi bit, which then uploads to the web. And here you see the light level is registered. Now, for some reason, this is giving us the wrong reading. To start with, it's giving us a 500 reading. Temperature is 26. It's registering 26 on ThingSpeak. I can put some ice cubes on the back of this Meowbit and lower that temperature. And we'll get a colder reading. And while I'm waiting for the temperature to go down, I'm going to press the up arrow and you'll see another number displayed, 242. That is the light level. It should show up now on light level as 242. It takes a minute or a few seconds to get over to ThingSpeak. There are two programs here that I'm going to be showing you, and they'll be attached to the video. There it is. It just came through and shows that the light level has been recorded in field number 2 right there. Now I'm going to shine a flashlight and record that again. $244. It should come through on ThingSpeak at 244. There it is. Now we'll try the temperature again. It should be colder than it was. 25. It should show here that the temperature drops from 26 to 25. Notice that it's coming through on my cell phone also. This is an Android phone. There it is, showing that the temperature came through. There it is again on the laptop. It's being recorded digitally by way of Wi-Fi on ThingSpeak and charted. Here is the program in MakeCode, and we're designating the fields for temperature and light level. And here it is in Arcade for this Meowbit, and it's just telling the Meowbit what to do in terms of sensing and sending signal by radio. I'll put this all up on the description of this video.